Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about how can we enable guys gesture navigation setting in our Infinix phone, and guys how can we use gesture navigation in our Infinix phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to enable gesture navigation, and we will scroll it. So once you can see guys your system setting, friends tap here. Friends you can see guys your navigation setting, friends tap here. Friends you can show gesture navigation guys, you want to enable guys, you can enable guys, click on this first one setting. Click gesture navigation will enable, and guys you can see guys how can we use it. Open the recent app on screen guys, you can see back to home, switch apps. So I like that guys, you can enable your gesture navigation. Guys how can you back guys, you can see this right, left side, left and right side we can back. Recently app we can close from here. So like that guys, you can enable your gesture navigation in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.